Hey everyone, it's Dr. Scott. This is the final week of Rhetoric 6800, Research Methods in Composition in Rhetoric. There's just a couple things that are going on this week, and this video is going to be very short, but I kind of want to just touch on the things that I'm asking y'all to do. So Thursday, April 25th, I'd like you all to complete a short survey about the class. I know that there's a few things that I would change. The IRB application, which I'll talk about in just a little bit. There's a few other things that I'll change up the next time I teach this class, but I would love to hear your feedback and get your input on things that you think would improve the class. So do complete that short survey. There's a little mini task at the end of the survey, like you email me about something. So take that survey, send in that email, and you get credit for that. It's not worth a ton, but for me, it's worth a lot because your feedback is super helpful. So that's Thursday, the 25th. The 26th, the final project's due. There's a couple folks that asked for just a little bit more time, and I'm okay with that. But I have a very short window in order to turn around that feedback. And I do want to read everybody's materials and provide you a little bit of feedback and in the assignment rubric. So try to get that work in on time or as close to on time as you can. And if you can't, email me and let me know. We can make some arrangements. One thing that I have changed, and I emailed folks about this earlier today on Tuesday, the 16th, that's the IRB application. Because you all are completing a literature review and you're completing a methods section, that means that there's things that you're also doing in the IRB application that you've already done with like the methods section of the literature review. So it seemed a little bit redundant, particularly given that there's nobody that I'm aware of that's going to take the thesis option in this class. So I'm removing the IRB requirement for this course. If you've done a bit of work on the IRB application, I'll chat with you, email me, and we'll see if there's things that you can substitute out or maybe not do with the final project. And you can just provide me with what you did with the IRB application, and we'll be fine. And I apologize for that, but I kind of realized, last weekend or so that the IRB application is asking a lot for folks that aren't going to be pursuing the thesis option. So the final project due Friday the 26th. I have until the following Tuesday at noon. That's Tuesday, April 30th, to submit grades. So I need that work so I can get that feedback completed and get that grading completed. Wednesday, May 1st, you should be able to access grades. I'm going to shut down the Blackboard site probably over the weekend once I get everybody's work. When it's up again, that means that I finished grading your work. So that's it. That's the class. I just want to thank you all very much for your patience and your hard work this semester. I've enjoyed learning from you and working with you all. I hope that you consider doing some research at some point, even if it's just sharing amongst folks at your school or at your institution. But I just want to thank you all for your hard work and encourage you to keep thinking about research in the future. All right, that's it. Thanks a bunch. Talk to you all later.